I'm a drain fly. Want to get rid of me? Watch this video of Gharpedia. I live inside your sink. Food waste and slime, that's my home. You see me in your bathroom, in your kitchen, and they keep coming back. I lay eggs in your drain. Spray won't kill me because I hide inside your drain. Want to remove me? Pour hot water, add baking soda and vinegar. Do this for 3 days, and I will disappear. But remember, my real home is pipe slime, so keep it clean. Clean it properly, or I will come back. Now you know me. Follow Gharpedia for more such tips. Save this and share with someone who needs this.